Hi, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are good. I am your Indira ma'am. I am your Indira ma'am. Have you remembered the tomato rhyme? Yes? Very good. Shall we start? Come on, sing along with me. Red, red tomato. Red tomato. Round, round tomato. Round tomato. Smooth, smooth tomato. Smooth tomato. Juicy, juicy tomato. Juicy tomato. Once again repeat with me. Red, red tomato. Red tomato. Round, round tomato. Round tomato. Smooth, smooth tomato. Smooth tomato. Juicy, juicy tomato. Juicy tomato. Okay, children. Today 10. Today date 10. Which month? September. Which month? September. Year 2020. What is the day today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. 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 Today is Thursday. Today I am teaching you English alphabets. English alphabets. Children, again we will revise alphabets. Okay? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. What is the first letter of alphabet? Which letter? A. Which letter? A. Capital A. Small a. Capital A. Small a. Capital A. Small a. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. What is the second letter of alphabet? What is the second letter? B. 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 Capital B. Small b. Capital B. Small b. Capital B. Small b. B for, come on say. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. Next. What is this letter? C. 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 Capital C. Small c. Capital C. Small c. C for cap. C for cap. C for cap. C for cap. Come on children, repeat. Which letter? D. Which letter? D. Capital D. Small d. Capital D. Small d. Capital D. Small d. D for what? Dog. Dog. D for dog. Dog says Bobo. Dog says Bobo. D after which letter? E. E. Capital E. Small e. Capital E. Small e. E for egg. E for egg. E for egg. E after F. E after F. Capital F. Small f. Capital F. Small f. F for, come on tell me children. F for fish. F for fish. F for fish. F after which letter? F after G. F after G. Capital G. Small g. Capital G. Small g. G for goat. G for goat. Repeat with me children. G for goat. G after which letter is coming? H. H. Capital H. Small h. Capital H. Small h. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen. H after I. H after I. Capital I, small I. Capital I, small I. I for insect. I for insect. I for insect. I after J. I after J. Capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. J after which letter is comes? J after K. J after K. Capital K, small k. Capital K, small k. K for what? K for what? Very good. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. K after which letter is comes? L. K after L. Capital L, small l. Capital L, small l. L for lion. L for lion. L after M. M. Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. M for mango. M for mango. You like mango? Yes, very good. M for mango. M after N. M after N. Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. N after O. N after O. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. O for ox. O for ox. O for ox. O after which letter comes? P. Come on, repeat with me, children. P. Capital P, small p. Capital P, small p. P for pen. P for pen. P for pen. P after Q. P after Q. Capital Q, small q. Capital Q, small q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q after R. Q after R. Capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. R for rat. R for rat. R for rat. Which letter? S. Capital S, small s. Capital S, small s. S for ship. S for ship. S for ship. S after T. T. Which letter? T. capital T, small t, capital T, small t. T for tree, T for tree, T for tree. T after which letter? U, U, capital U, small u, capital U, small u. U for, come on tell me, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. U after which letter is comes? V, V, capital V, small v, capital V, small v. V for vase, V for vase. V after which letter? W, capital W, small w, capital W, small w. W for watch, W for watch, W for watch. Which letter? X, X, capital X, small x, capital X, small x. X for X-ray, X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Which letter? Y, Y, capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Y for yak, Y for yak, Y for yak. Y after which letter? Z, capital Z, small z, capital Z, small z, capital Z, small z. Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Okay, understood children? Come on children, take your textbook, level 1, open page number 2. Again we will revise A verse, B verse. Okay? A, capital A, small a, capital A, small a. A for acorn, A for acorn, A C O R N, acorn, A for acorn. A for anchor, A for anchor, A N C H O R, anchor, A for anchor. A for astronaut, A for astronaut, A S T R O N A U T, astronaut, A for astronaut. Come on children, repeat with me. A for astronaut, A S T R O N A U T, astronaut. A for alligator, A for alligator, A L L I G A T O R, alligator, A for alligator. A for acorn, A for anchor, A for astronaut, A for alligator. We can write more words. A for apple. You know what is the spelling of apple? A for apple. A P P L E, apple. A for X, A X E, X. A for ant, A N T, for arrow, arrow. O-W, arrow. A for aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Next, which letter? B. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. B for bear. B for bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B for bear. B for beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. B for beetroot. B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T. Beetroot. B for beetroot. B for bud. B-U-D, bud. B-U-D, bud. B for bud. B for burrow. Burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W. Burrow. B for burrow. You can say more words. B for bad. B for bad. B-A-T. Bad. B-A-T. Bad. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Next, B for box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. B for boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. B for book. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. B for balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. B for balloon. B for bag, box, boat, book, balloon. You can create more words. Okay, children. Next, today we will learn G words. We will learn G words. Page number 11. Page number 11. Open all of you. Which letter? Which letter? G. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. G for gloves. 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 G L O V E S. Gloves. G L O V E S. Gloves. G for garden. G for garden. G A R D E N. Garden. G for garden. G for garden. G for garbage. G for garbage. G A R B A G E. Garbage. G for garbage. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. G for giraffe. Capital G, small g. G for garden. G for gloves. G for garbage. G for giraffe. Do this activity, children. This is activity. G is for ghost. G is for ghost. Trace and color the ghost here, and let's see what it looks like. Give it a name too. Do this activity. Look at the board, children. Which letter? G. Capital G, small g. Capital G, small g. What is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of G? G. G. G for gloves. G for gloves. G L O V E S. Gloves. G L O V E S. Gloves. G for garden. G A R D E N. Garden. G for garden. Again repeat with me. G A R D E N. Garden. G A R D E N. Garden. G for garbage. G for garbage. G A R B A G E. Garbage. G for garbage. Once again repeat. G A R B A G E. Garbage. G for giraffe. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. G for giraffe. G for gloves. G for garden. G for garbage. G for giraffe. Once repeat, children. G for gloves. G for gloves. G for garden. G for garbage. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for gloves. G L O V E S. Gloves. G L O V E S. Gloves. G for garden. G A R D E N. Garden. G A R D E N. Garden. G for garbage. G A R B A G E. Garbage. G A R B A G E. Garbage. G for giraffe. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. You can write more words. G for grapes. G for grapes. G R A P E S. Grapes. G for goat. G O A T. Goat. G for girl. G I R L. Girl. G for gun. G U N. Gun. G for grass. G R A S S. Grass. Okay, children. G for grapes. G for goat. G for girl. G for gun. G for grass. Come on, children, take your English this notebook. Write down these words. Three words in classwork and homework also. Open your textbook. Literacy. This is literacy. Open page number 1. Page number 1. This is today homework. The letters. Match the correct page together. Match the letters. Pictures are. Thank you. Have a nice day, children. Stay home. Stay safe.